Good morning, 6th grade. It's Mrs. Panico. I'm here to show you how to share your project in Scratch. So you're in your project, you see your code, you see your project stage, you have your sprites and your backdrop. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you've clicked the orange share button so that it turns blue and says that your project has been shared. Once your project has been shared, you can go to See Project Page. You're going to come to Copy Link, and you're going to copy the link from here. If you come up to the URL and copy this link, it will not open for me. If you try to copy the URL from your project page, it will not work. And I see that many of you are still doing this because you'll notice that this URL has the word editor. So I cannot open that link. If you're copying the URL up here, you'll also notice there's an end back or forward slash. And this also will prevent me from being able to open up the link. But when you copy the link from here, this is the link that works. So please make sure that you're copying the link from here and sharing this with me. All right, I hope that helps. Please reach out to me at jpanico@schools.nyc.gov if you need any further help. Bye.